Welcome to today's learning podcast. I am Bell, and I'm very happy to have you with us. This podcast is made especially for learners who want to improve their English while learning something interesting and useful. Today's topic connects science, energy, and things from everyday life. I'm not alone today. I'm joined by Allison, our expert, who helps explain scientific ideas in clear and simple English. Together, we're going to talk about a special piece of lab equipment that scientists use to measure energy.
Thanks, Belle. Hi, everyone. I'm Allison, and I'm excited to be here. Today, we're going to explore how scientists find out how much energy is inside fuels and even food.
That's right. For our listeners, we're talking about a tool called a bomb calorimeter. Scientists use it to measure energy in things like biodiesel, petroleum fuels, and even potato chips. Let's get started. So, Allison, first of all, what is a bomb calorimeter?
A bomb calorimeter is a piece of equipment that scientists use to measure how much energy is inside a substance, like biodiesel or even potato chips.
Wait, potato chips? The same chips I eat for lunch?
Yes, exactly. Scientists can burn food in a bomb calorimeter to find out how much energy it contains.
That's interesting. So, how is energy measured in this machine?
Energy is measured as heat. Scientists usually use units like joules or calories to describe this heat.
Okay, let's look inside the bomb calorimeter. What do we see?
Inside, there is a large container filled with water. In the center, there is a smaller, strong metal container called the bomb.
And what goes inside this bomb?
You put a small sample of fuel inside it. This could be biodiesel, for example.
How does the fuel start burning?
There are two electrodes connected to the bomb. They create a spark, which ignites the fuel and starts combustion.
So when the fuel burns, energy is released. What happens to that energy?
The energy comes out as heat. Because the system is closed, the heat cannot escape. Instead, it goes into the water around the bomb.
Why is the water important?
The water absorbs the heat. There is also a stirrer in the lid that moves the water so the heat spreads evenly.
That makes sense. How do scientists measure the heat?
There is a temperature probe placed in the water. As the fuel burns, the water temperature increases, and the probe measures this change.
Is oxygen needed for this process?
Yes. Combustion cannot happen without oxygen. Oxygen is added from a tank connected to the calorimeter.
So in the end, what information do scientists get?
They learn how much energy the fuel releases. This helps them compare fuels, like biodiesel, and petroleum-based fuels such as octane.
So for our listeners, this tool helps scientists understand which fuels give more energy.
Exactly. It's a simple idea, but very powerful in science and energy research.
Let's do a quick recap. We talked about a bomb calorimeter, a tool used to measure energy as heat. A fuel sample is burned in a closed system, heat warms the water, and scientists measure the temperature change to calculate energy. This helps compare different fuels. Now let's review some key vocabulary. Repeat after me. Bomb calorimeter. Bomb calorimeter. Bomb calorimeter. Nice. A bomb calorimeter is a device used to measure energy by burning a sample. Next. Energy. 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 Wonderful. Energy is the ability to do work or produce heat. Next. Combustion. 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 Good job. Combustion is the process of burning with oxygen.
Next. Temperature. 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 Great. Temperature shows how hot or cold something is. Next. Fuel. 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 Well done! Fuel is a material that is burned to produce energy.
Thanks for listening and learning with us today. We hope this episode helped you understand both the science and the English a little better. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember that learning happens step by step. That's the end of the video. I'm Belle. Like and subscribe for better English learning.